All right, guys, we're going to start our argumentative opinion writing introduction. So, an important thing for you to understand is that when you're doing, I use argumentative and opinion, I use those terms because they kind of go hand in hand, right? So, if you have an opinion about something, which is something that you think, remember that is the opposite of fact. Fact is something that can be proven. Opinion is just your viewpoint about a certain subject or topic, right? So when you have an opinion about something, if you are trying or in a conversation with someone, or in our case, we're going to actually do a writing piece about it. When you have an opinion about something, and then when people are reading about your opinion, then you're arguing your point, which is why argumentative and opinion kind of goes hand in hand. So, just like with any other introduction, you're going to have a catchy sentence. So, for this, I'm going to say topic. Maybe my topic is going to be assigning students homework. That's something I'm pretty passionate about. All right. So, for me, I would probably start it off with something that's going to really catch my reader. There are many studies, not many, there are studies that show there is no correlation between homework and student achievement. Right? So I gave it, there's studies that show there's no correlation between homework and student achievement. Then I'm going to drive it home and state my claim, which my claim I'm going to put up here. So you don't have to do this when you start writing, but I just want to be clear of what our claim is going to be. My claim is students should not be assigned homework. That's my claim or my opinion. Your claim and your opinion about your topic is the same thing. But I'm going to put that there. So, and I could say students should not be assigned homework, but I'll use this sentence part. This is why I firmly believe that students should not be assigned homework. I've clearly stated to the reader what I'm going to talk about. I didn't say I'm going to talk about why homework has no correlation to student achievement. I said there are studies that show there is no correlation between homework and student achievement. This is why I firmly believe that students should not be assigned homework. Now I am ready. I have given my readers an introduction and I'm ready to move to the next thing. Now, granted, you don't have to start your writing off that way. If you're one of those people that like to ask questions, you can, but ask it in a skillful way. So instead, for example, instead of saying, have you ever had to do homework? Because let's be honest, guys, the odds of a student not being assigned homework is very slim. Granted, Miss Davis is not assigned homework, but a lot of teachers do. Right? So instead of saying, have you ever had to do homework? Let's think of a better way we can ask a question. Maybe I can ask, because I'm going to highlight that in yellow, because it's okay. You know, it's okay. It's not the best question, right? Let's say What if I ask, have you ever thought about why you have to do homework when it mirrors or reflects the same things you do for classwork? That's getting the reader thinking like, have I really thought about why I have to do homework? Getting the reader invested into your argument is what you should be doing. The reader should be invested. Let me highlight it. Needs to be invested into your argument or opinion. Because if they're not invested in it, then they're not going to want to continue to read it, right? The reader needs to be invested. That's very important. They need to be invested in your writing. So, guys, today and every day, when you are writing, you're in your writing. I'm sorry, your argumentative and your opinion writing introduction. Think about how you're going to get your reader invested into your claim, your argument or opinion. All right, go ahead, guys. Go ahead and get writing. If you need me, you know to come to my desk at any time. Thank you.